This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the correct surface speed for the material that SFM drives cutting efficiency and life. Next, measure the drill bit diameter precisely in inches. Once done, plug values into the practical formula RPM equals SFM times 3, 82 divided by diameter. You do this because the factor 3, 82 converts linear feet per minute into revolutions per minute for inch diameters. This yields an RPM target you can set on your drill or press to get optimal cutting action. You calculate a concrete number using the formula. For instance, steel at SFM 100 with a 0. 5-inch bit gives about 764 RPM. Compute by 100 times 3, 82 divided by 0. 5. Once you have that, round to the nearest available drill speed and pick the gearbox or pulley range that keeps torque adequate. Make sure to reduce RPM for larger diameters and increase cautiously for smaller bits. You now set the machine to the calculated RPM, then perform a short test cut while feeding steadily and lightly. Use cutting fluid on metals and keep chips clearing. This preserves bit life and accuracy. Once the hole looks clean, proceed with normal feeds. If you encounter burning, smoke, or rapid dulling, stop and troubleshoot. Reduce RPM, add lubricant, or slow the feed. That single adjustment usually fixes heat-related problems and prevents tool failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.